Busy Bees, and welcome back! Today we are making gooey and icky slime. And Shelly, what are the ingredients we need? Oh, we got borax. This is still heavy, but I'm strong. And this is 2 glues. We have sticks, popsicle sticks, food coloring. Yes, like Shelly said, we got some borax, we got 2 glues, Elmer's glues and craft glue, and then we got some blue food coloring and some red food coloring. We got some popsicle sticks and 2 bowls. So then, let's begin. Before we get started on our slimy project, if this is your first time, please like, share, and really please subscribe. So now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of borax powder and put it inside here. And by the way, that was half a cup of water. Now we have to put 1 cup of water in our bowl and then lots of glue. So here's 1 cup of water and then pour the whole thing in. Mix, mix, mix. Now, Shelly will add 2 spoons of borax solution into this big bowl of water and glue. 1, 2, 3. Keep adding the solution slowly. Gets slimy. And so yucky. Keep mixing for a minute. Ta-da! Wow! Oh, where's the tree? Looks like the water has been absorbed. Whoa! Whoa, this is like a whirlpool. And put it in. Oh, that's nice, Shelly. It's like a heart. Oh, wow, like jam. And then, na. Just take it and start mixing. You also start mixing, Shelly. Oh, this is so clear. Don't put it out of the bowl. Now, we are going to take off all the slime from here and we're going to start mixing it like a chapati. So now then, let's make a blue slime, except we aren't going to use clear glue, we're going to be using white glue. So we will need half a cup of water and 1 teaspoon of borax powder. And then mix, mix, mix. And now we'll keep this aside. Alright, now we need 1 cup of water and some glue. So, let's put the 1 cup of water. Ta-da! Open the whole lid. Keep pouring it. Okay, it's mixing time now. Mix, mix, mix. Let's slowly start adding the borax solution. Now it's time to add the food color. Would you look at that? That's nice. This. Wow, another tree. Yeah. then, it's time to mix with our hands. Take off all the slime as you can from the spoon. Boom. And then just lift the slime up and just start playing with it. Just like this to make a ball so that it gets less sticky. This, just keep doing. Now we can discard the water. So be very careful. Wow! Hey, it went over my nice pan. Don't worry. Playing pan. Okay, it's time to mix now with some more borax solution. Just do a mix, and you don't stop. You gotta do like mixes. Okay, all my busy bees, if you really enjoyed making the slime with us and you had lots of fun with your slime, then please like, share, and really please subscribe. And bye-bye for now. Thanks for watching.